lot of times we get calls in the field from customers wanting to convert an automatic unit to a chargeable. Instead of going into too much detail on the phone, we're going to make a small video to explain what the steps are. What we do is if we have a completed unit, we disassemble by untightening the nuts of the band, drop the bottom of the ring band, take the top of the ring band off. The top half of the unit should come easily off. What we do here is disassemble the center one-way check valve. You can use either a 9/16 or a crescent wrench, easily take off. Then we disassemble the T assembly, which is the bleed valve. That comes off just by unwinding it with your hand. Then you're going to turn it upside down and expose the automatic button assembly in there. And what we do here is take that button out by using an extension, which is a 3/8 drive extension, with the proper fitting. Then we can untighten that automatic valve internally, counterclockwise. Although it might look easy, some of these have a little bit more wear on them. It might be perhaps a little bit more difficult to get to, but it's generally simple. There's no easy tweaks, easy twists, any snap rings involved, nothing too complicated. Once you have the top, the only thing that you need to install, which will be supplied by Blacoh Fluid Control, is the 101/30 3 gauge. There, goes into the outer port, and it's, yeah, go ahead and install it, the outer port. Hand tight. Make sure the face is facing the outer portion of the body. Then, supplied by Blacoh, would be your 1/4 inch brass Schrader valve. That goes into the center port. Tight, fingered tight, and then snug with a ratchet. Not too tight. Remember, you're going right into plastic. Once tightened, you place it back onto the bottom. Place it on the back of the bottom housing. Generally, in most cases, you can do this while the dampener isolated rather from the discharge of the pump. You can keep the bottom assembly there intact. Replace the top layer of ring band with the bolt assembly. You will have to lube the stainless steel bolts to prevent seizing once tightened. And you follow up with replacing the bottom half of the ring band on top, or rather, sorry, you replace the bottom ring band, matching up the bolt pattern, and with the nuts you just tighten on, hand tight, and then you can follow up with normal cross hatch pattern assembly. And that's it.